to today's family meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to inform all of you that this year's Christmas celebration will be the best ever.
Chief, what happened? Did you get a new contract? They allow him to talk now. Please, our husband, what is it?
The Igwe have decided to give me a chieftaincy title.
Hey, Baba, congratulations.
That's wonderful. I will not be the new law. And I have decided to take this title with the cause. Never! I am your first one. How can you take a title to the second one? I will not accept this. Manika, how can you challenge my authority? Do not forget I'm the man of the house. And what I said, go.
Please, both of you should calm down.
First for the day, you are a big snake in the green grass, husband snatcher. Manika, please tell me why you want to disgrace. You will not understand. If the cast handles you in the other room, your life will never relent itself. But you just lie down there like Dorothy.